Welcome to Serbia, a land of vibrant cities, breathtaking landscapes, and rich history. Serbia, but when is the best time to visit this underrated Balkan gem? Let's explore Serbia's seasons so you can plan the perfect trip. If you're a fan of winter sports or just love a magical snowy landscape, Serbia in winter is the place to be. The Kopaonik mountain range offers top-notch skiing and snowboarding, while Belgrade's festive lights and New Year's Eve celebrations create an incredible winter atmosphere. And don't forget to warm up with a glass of rakica, Serbia's famous fruit brandy. As the snow melts away, spring brings Serbia to life. It's the best time for hiking through Tara National Park, exploring the Danube Gorge, or cruising down the Danube River. The weather is mild, the crowds are small, and nature is at its finest. Summer in Serbia is all about adventure and culture. Explore the Kalemegdan Fortress in Belgrade, take a dip in the Uvac River Canyon, or dance the night away at the world-famous Exit Festival in Novi Sad. The weather is hot and sunny, making it perfect for both sightseeing and outdoor relaxation. Autumn in Serbia is a hidden gem. The countryside turns golden, making it the best time to visit Serbia's wineries in regions like Fruška. The weather is still pleasant, perfect for exploring ancient monasteries, charming villages, and scenic road trips. So, when is the best time to visit Serbia? Serbia, it all depends on your travel style. Winter for skiing and New Year's fun? Spring for nature and river cruises? Summer for festivals and sightseeing? Or autumn for wine tours and scenic beauty? Which season would you love to visit Serbia in? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.